There's lots of bees in my garden. Just thought it seemed to be dead. Look at that one getting right in there. Get in there, lad. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Go on. They love this purple one. Look, they're all over it. Where's that one? Look. Ooh. Now, don't get me wrong, like, comes a bit close. Good. God, that's gone right in there. Look at them. Disappeared inside them. They are all over this one. Seem to love it. Hoping it was just a one-off, as I say. Just a one-off with it. Well, it'll be a two-off, won't it? Because, let's see, it's only on this side. Oh, bloody lily beetles, look. Oh my God, look at the two of them, bloody bonking. No, can't see no bees over here. We'll have to go and get something to squash these bloody lily beetles. They've eaten all my lilies on me. Can't see no, oh, there's one there. Got to do your bit, haven't you? To do your bit today, try and save them. But I don't know if it is. As I say, it's just been a one-off or what. Over and out for now anyway.